Thank you. Thank you very much, Dr. Mutua. Your Excellency, I wish to most sincerely thank you for finding time out of your very busy schedule to join us here for the 59th graduation ceremony of Scott Christian University class of 2024. Over the last month, Your Excellency, you've managed to officiate 3 graduation ceremonies in our universities, including this one. This is indeed a testimony to a special focus on education, including higher education. The focus on higher education is indeed justified because this is the driver of teaching, research, and innovation. All these are aspects that are critical cogs of our bottom-up economic transformation agenda. Your Excellency, please permit me to extend my sincere congratulations to the graduates we are celebrating today. This event is the culmination of years of hard work and sacrifice on their part, and it provides a chance to celebrate the support of their families, lecturers, and peers. Your Excellency, Scott Christian University stands as a pillar of transformative and holistic education in Kenya. Its approach of integrating academic excellence with moral values and a spirit of service is what sets it apart. At a time when the world is rapidly evolving and the challenges we face today grow increasingly complex, institutions like Scott Christian University are critical. They nurture students who not only possess the knowledge to extend and excel, but also the integrity to lead and the compassion to serve. As we serve under your leadership, Your Excellency, the Ministry of Education remains committed to supporting institutions of higher learning like Scott Christian University. We understand the importance of creating an enabling environment for education to thrive. Our focus remains on promoting policies and programs that ensure access to quality education for all Kenyans while fostering innovation, research, and community engagement. Your Excellency, with these few remarks, may I ask now the congregation to stand as we welcome you to make your remarks. Welcome, sir.
Thank you very much. Let's take our seats. Thank you. Scott Christian University Chancellor, members of the University Council, Vice Chancellor, faculty, staff, parents and guardians, distinguished graduates, students, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Praise God. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. I am deeply honored to join you on these historic grounds for this momentous occasion as an iconic faith-based organization